In front of me is CUBOT X30, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select system, and now enroll advanced options. Here you should go to developer options. If you cannot find developer mode right here, you just have to unlock it, so take a look at our tutorial on how to do it, and then you will be able to reach developer mode. Click on it then, scroll down a bit, and here you've got system demo mode. Mark it, and to activate demo mode, click here and then show demo mode by tapping on the switcher below. So as you can see, even in the status bar it has been changed, so you can smoothly use your device in demo mode. Whenever you would like to switch it off, just click on the same switcher and disable demo mode. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.